Hey guys, welcome back or to the channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button. What are we doing today? They say that you can start a fire if you've got wet wood, wet paper, the whole 9 yards in this icky weather with potato chips, taco chips. I've seen some videos. I don't know. I think we should try it. What do you think? Hey guys, do you like the explosion? A little bit of special effects, you know what I'm saying? So, here's what's going on. People say that if you got no paper, it's wet, you got no bark from a tree, it's wet, you can't start a fire, it's super hard to start a fire. I've seen videos, Marcy's seen videos, we've all seen videos on YouTube showing starting fire with Dorito taco chips and corn chips and stuff like that, and then dryer lint and this and that. So we've got a couple things we're going to experiment with here. So, don't forget, safety. Can't clammies, #1 priority. You hear me? Yeah? No? 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 Okay. So, it's a little cheesy. So what we've got here, we've got some Riffles all dressed potato chips.
Your favorite?
Oh, I love chips. I'm surprised I'm burning something I love so much. I don't know what to say. We've got some Doritos taco chips here. We don't have corn chips, unfortunately. We've got some Lay's classic original. Oh, so yummy.
Do you work for the company? What's going on here?
I know, right? We've got some Cheetos cheese puffs. Oh. Also, we got eggs. No, not eggs. So here's an idea. Take some dryer lint.
We all have dryer lint.
Put it in an egg carton. Put some counter wax over top. This is supposed to light pretty easy, and it should last a little while. We're going to find out. But on top of that, we're taking it one step further. We've got just a little ball of dryer lint that we're going to try and light and see what happens.
Reuse.
Recycle.
Recycle.
You know, I have a feeling it's going to smell so bad in here. Anyways, so I don't know if this is too much. I might actually break this down because, well, you know what? I'm not in the mood for catching myself on fire. What do you say, guys? Should we give this a whirl? So, first up, which one should we pick? I think we're going to go with the dryer lint and see what happens. You ready?
Flame on.
Oh, if you have a match, that works.
Or not.
Dryer lint. Look at that. The dryer lint actually lights pretty good. And it's going for quite a while.
It's fluff.
It's fluff. Wonder how long that's going to last for. Let's find out. You know what? It's not going to last very long by the looks of it. So let's do the egg carton with dryer lint and wax. So the dryer lint, it looks like it's already gone out. And I'll be honest, the egg carton,
I would think you'd have to have a lot of dryer lint to get a good fire going.
with a little bit of wind, the dryer lint in the egg carton is not lighting so good. So for people that say that this is a good fire starter, I don't know.
Maybe you need a lighter.
Maybe we'll try a lighter.
A lighter.
On Camping with Clammy, we'll see if we burn ourselves here. So let's get this puppy going. It's going, but for how long? Let's see if it'll keep going once I put it in there. You know what? So far, these don't smell too bad.
It's candles.
It's candles. But the egg carton is actually not staying lit that well. So we'll see what happens. It's going out. We'll try it one more time. See what happens. If you think I've done something wrong, if there's a better way of doing this,
Maybe you light the bottom of it so it catches the dryer lint that's at the bottom.
we'll find out. If you think I'm doing something wrong and you have a better idea, please leave a comment. So again, here's the egg carton. The middle of it is burning. We'll put it back down, see what happens. It's starting to slowly catch the dryer lint on fire.
So maybe that's the key. You put the dryer lint in first, so you light the bottom to get the dryer lint to go, and then it gets the wax going.
It could be. It's starting to go. So the original dryer lint is out already, and it didn't even burn all the dryer lint. So now we've got the egg carton with the dryer lint and some candle wax. My favorite is, are the Cheetos cheese puffs, are they going to burn? Are they going to light easy? I don't know. This one's going pretty good. So
Oh, that's really starting to catch now.
let's see if the cheese puffs will go. Let's see if they will go. And how well they go. So,
Oh man, you're gonna like. I thought you were just gonna light one on fire. No.
light it all.
Jesus. Oh man, those go up. Oh my goodness. Well, I think we need water.
I don't think the cheese puffs are going. They're going.
Oh man, that stinks.
The cheese puffs definitely do smell. This is okay. It's all good.
You're freaking me out now.
No. All good. All good. So,
Oh, those stink so bad, people. So bad. Holy, those are lighting up good.
the egg carton with a little bit of dryer lint and the candle wax, just a little bit of candle wax, is doing a really, really good job.
I'm telling you.
The cheese puffs are really going.
And they stink really bad.
They're really going.
Oh, wow. Our neighbors.
So now let's try some
You need
Lay's.
some water. That's
No, we're good. We're good. Need some Lay's in there. Let's get some Lay's going, see how well they do. It's such a cold evening.
Holy Jesus, man. You're freaking me out. Can you put a little water on those?
It's such a cold evening. No, it's all good. Keeping me warm.
Jesus.
Look at this go, guys. Somebody says cheese puffs don't go. They go. Look at them go. We're starting to get some action going on the classic Lay's chips. Oh, it's nice and toasty warm here. Nah, it's all good. It's all good. Look at those go.
Okay, can you just move on? You're freaking me out.
So
Don't
so
try this at home, folks.
don't try this at home. So far, now the cheese puffs seem to be doing the best and lit the easiest. So the classic Lay's is not going up as easily as the cheese puffs. The cheese puffs are really going good. So if you want something that's going to last for a little while, you might go with the classic Lay's chips. And then if you want
the cheese puffs.
the cheese puffs, pardon me.
Or I'm telling you, the dryer lint and candle wax is really quite a nice little fire, and it doesn't smell as bad as the chips.
Yeah, the dryer lint is actually going pretty good.
Okay, Doritos, you're up.
Doritos is going. Get the Doritos going here. The cheese puffs are burning down very, very fast.
Oh gosh, I hope they don't melt through.
No, they won't melt.
Oh wow, those Doritos lit fast.
The Doritos lit really fast, actually. And then the all dressed, Ruffles all dressed, they're going pretty good too. So
there you go. Chips are a thing. They absolutely catch on fire.
I would say if I want to light a fire, and the smell, believe it or not, it does smell a little bit, but it actually doesn't smell
What is
that
the heat
that
stay?
bad.
So,
The-
the dryer lint one, does that give off more? Because that looks like it's really doing quite well.
The dryer lint one is burning very, very nice, and it gives off a pretty good heat. Obviously, it doesn't smell too bad. The Cheetos stinks, and it is a fast burning, like it's already burning down. And then if you look at the Lay's Classic, they're burning pretty good too. The Doritos caught quick, but what's not catching very easily is the all dressed. I wonder if it doesn't have as much oil in it.
That's probably it.
So as you see, the cheese puff's already burnt down.
The regular potato chips are burning pretty quick too.
The regular potato chips are burning down. They didn't get as high as a flame.
Ooh, that stinks.
The egg carton, though,
The egg carton is still flaming on.
with a little bit of dryer lint and the candle wax, is still going strong. So the Doritos is going very well.
not burning as quick. So the Cheetos and the regular ones burn really fast.
Yeah, the Doritos aren't burning as quick or as hot. The hottest one were the cheese puffs or the Cheetos. The one that's burning consistency, though, I am going to say, is the egg carton.
The egg carton doesn't burn too hot.
No, I'll be good.
All right.
So, guys,
There you have
what
it.
did you think of this? I know it's been a while since Camp with Clammy, Corey, and Marcy put out a video, but you know what? We had to try this. We wanted to see how easy it was to light them. We wanted to see how warm it was. We wanted to see if it actually worked. Could you light a fire doing this? Yes, you could. Yes, the majority of them
Is in the pudding.
lit very, very well. This was quite the weirdo experiment. Guys, if you like videos like that, please smash that thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe.
As Marcy always says, don't forget to subscribe and ding that notification bell
Yeah.
so you'll be notified the next time we put out a video. It smells lovely. It smells so lovely.
This is just bad. That smells so bad. That smells so
Oh, my fire!
Oh my god.
My fire!
Flame on. Little for you. I gotta tell you, that thing is going like.
This is going really
Yeah.
well. I'm actually happy with this one. So the egg carton with dryer lint and a little bit of candle wax.
You're making a stink stunk.
Awesome, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.